Alright, what's up guys? So we got a quick unboxing today. This is a Watchdives WD1969. Alright, so this is the Watchdives 1969 Pro. So I actually originally ordered this off AliExpress and it was $109 after taxes. And then I checked on Amazon and then I can get this next day instead of waiting 2 weeks on AliExpress. But on Amazon, it was what, like maybe $10 more. So I think that $10 more was worth paying to get this next day. So let's open this up. Alright, comes in a nice case. What's inside? Whoa. Alright, let's open this up. Wow. Damn, that's pretty nice. That's a pretty slim watch. That's the whole reason I was looking for a watch like this. Because I've been rocking a Seiko recently, and that thing's like pretty chunky. So I was looking at this online, and they said it's what 11.5 millimeters thick. So that's pretty cool. So let's get this unwrapped. All right, so let's see. Alright, so here it is. So this is the last bit of plastic to get off. Alright, so I guess that's all the plastic off right there. So first impressions is it's got a nice weight to it. Costs about $120 in total, and it's got a nice slimness to it. It's not super chunky. The movement is pretty nice. Alright, so now let's check out the bezel action. Ooh, that thing sounds nice. The bezel is a coin edge. Yeah, that's nice. I mean, there's a little play back and forth, but still, it sounds so nice. A little difficult to rotate it, but yeah, that's perfect. Alright, so the crown is screwed down, screwed in, so let's screw it out. Alright, now it just popped out. Now we can pull it out. Oops. Oops. It's actually my second watch with the screw down crown, so I'm still learning how this works. Alright, right there. And it screws down nicely. So looking back at the watch, or looking at the back of the watch, you can see that it has quick release spring bars for the watch band, and it's got a screw down case back that's flat. So it's gonna sit nicely on the wrist. Alright, I think I'm gonna go ahead and size this up now. Alright, so I just went outside for a couple minutes after resizing this. So let's check out the lume on this. Yeah, right now it's not pitch black dark, but you can see the lume is a nice blue lume. And this is a domed sapphire crystal on the watch. So let's see. Let's close this door. So now it's a lot darker, and then you can see get a better feel for this lume. This was only outside for a couple minutes being charged by the sun. It's pretty nice, like turquoise teal lume. Alright, so here it is sized up to my wrist. It says very, very flat, which I like a lot compared to my Seiko that's fucking chunky. This thing is pretty slim. I like it a lot. I'd say this is worth the $120 if you can't wait. But if you can wait, you can get this for $100, $108 on AliExpress. Alright, so here's a little better view of the lume after charging it with the flashlight for a couple minutes. You see it's a very vibrant blue color. That's very nice. I'm really happy with this watch. I'd say it's definitely worth the value for your money. For 120 bucks, I cannot complain. Damn, just look at that. That's beautiful.